Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zaid and today we'll be having a look at Empire Token. Empire NFT Marketplace now supports Ethereum, plans to expand to Solana and major exchanges listing. So Empire Token's flagship utility, the Empire NFT Marketplace, is now live on Ethereum mainnet. The Ethereum blockchain is a global computing blockchain and operating system which can be used to create decentralized services and applications. Fortunately, the bright future of this blockchain now has Empire on its side. NFT creators and traders can now use Ethereum coin and Ethereum-based tokens to mint and trade NFTs on the Empire NFT Marketplace. Projects that are powered by Ethereum may include anything from smart contracts, voting systems, decentralized exchanges, and so much more. Constructing a bridge to the Ethereum blockchain will be the building blocks for exciting applications to come to the Empire ecosystem. Now, Empire NFT Marketplace expansion to Solana is likewise around the corner. Solana is a company that offers enterprise-grade blockchain solution to meet the increasing demands of the enterprise. Solana is a high-performance blockchain that's designed for modern workflow. It has all the features of Bitcoin, but its application system can be so much more. Solana has the scalability of Ethereum. It has the privacy of Zcash, and it's quantum resistant. Empire will get the best of Solana scalability for all its upcoming projects and to ensure modern day tools are provided for Empire ecosystem. So this all obviously sounds really fantastic for Empire Token, and it's actually really exciting that it's being integrated into Solana in such a brilliant way, and it's now live on the Ethereum mainnet. Now, Empire Token has signed with a top-tier exchange to be revealed soon. All they can share right now is that this exchange is today one of the world's leading crypto exchange in terms of trading volumes, according to CoinMarketCap, which listed on the top 10 in terms of trading volume for cryptocurrencies globally. Now, in the next 2 months, Empires will be listed on additionally top 10 exchanges as the project continues to expand on the global crypto scene. In addition to big exchanges listing news, Empire plans to launch the Goosebump, which is Empire's own decentralized exchange and portfolio tracking platform. Aside from typical portfolio features, Goosebumps will have unique functionalities including a multi-chart layout trading view, multi-wallets tracking, and alert system for major price movements. The DEX will also have a launchpad feature where users can easily invest or launch their own ICOs, and for investors, this means a quick and easy way to get into the booming crypto market. For entrepreneurs, it means a mainstream path to raise funds for projects without going through the tedious process of doing so themselves. The launchpad will be key to raise funds for projects. Goosebumps will also help enterprises to manage their digital assets and tokens in an easier way while keeping them secure from funds and scams. So all of these interesting new projects to the Empire ecosystem will be available to new and experienced users significantly faster with the help of Empire Payment System. Empire Payment System is a payment system currently in development phase that will allow instant conversion from fiat to cryptocurrencies, vice versa. This will make the process of transferring money from one currency to another much more efficient and easy. This system will have solved a lot of problems that people have with the current payment systems that are available on the market. It will also provide much more secure ways of transferring money around for people who don't want their information going through the internet. Now, in regards to the token itself, built as a super token, the Empire token is a decentralized token on the Binance Smart Chain, which brings utilities stretching from DeFi applications to real-world applications. Empire Gold is to bridge the gap between the crypto world and the real world as latter gradually adapts to cryptocurrency. Empire aims to do this by integrating strong use cases into the token that will bring value not only the whole DeFi and blockchain ecosystem, but also the real world through innovation, utility, and modern tools. Now, additionally, we can have a look at the use cases for the Empire token itself and for the Empire technology, including the Empire NFT Marketplace. So our platform will provide access to most innovative marketplace for non-fungible tokens, such as NFTs, that will allow users to buy, sell, and trade their digital assets securely as well as license these assets to commercial uses. Additionally, there is Empire DEX. Empire DEX is the easiest way to trade crypto assets with the lowest fees in the industry, making it easy for you to grow your funds. Not only can you get started with trading right away, but you can also benefit from hosting tokens on our platform, making Empire DEX an all-in-one solution. And not to mention, there seems to be 2 additional use cases that are currently in development. There isn't a time frame for these developments, but all that's said on their website is that these developments are coming quite soon. So it's quite exciting to look forward to. Now, as for the roadmap, let's go to the roadmap of where we are today. So we're currently in Q4 of 2021, Empire Portfolio Tracker, Decentralized Exchange, which is a DEX, NFT Marketplace Phase 2 Development, NFT Licensing, and Empire NFT Collectible Launch, Partnership with Artists and NFT Projects, NFT Marketplace Audit, Mainnet Launch for the Empire NFT Marketplace, Web 2.0 Launch, Buyback and Manual Burn, Soft Launch of the Empire NFT Marketplace. And these are some of the announcements that we've had today. So we're currently here in Q4, Website 2.0 Launch, and that's where we are right now. So it looks like the website has gone through an update recently, and I've got to say, it looks really good so far. Now on to the tokenomics of this token. Obviously, we'll go through the tokenomics and what this all means, but let's take a look at the token itself as well. Now, as for the market cap and for the circulating supply, those are not confirmed. These are self-reported information, so they're not confirmed by CoinMarketCap, so they could be quite incorrect. But as for the price of the token, it's 0.05 cents, so basically 5 cents per coin. But it looks to be around 1 billion in max supply and around 857 million in circulating supply that has been reported by Empire Token themselves. Now, what's really interesting is the last 3 months of this token, because towards the end of October, it was doing really well. Around the 25th of October, it was doing extraordinarily well. The token was actually doing around 18.6 million in a given 24 hours trading period. It's really extraordinary. And the price at that point for the token was around 27 cents per coin. Obviously, it's dropped down since then by a lot, as you can see. And I think this is where the cause of concern need to be, where the questions need to be asked of why this token has gone through such a huge high in price. And it's obviously fallen short since then. The tokenomics stands as 10% will go to total tax. Liquidity pool will get 4%. Reflection is 3%. And marketing and teams is 3% as well. Now, there is a large token supply, so I'm not surprised that these tokens are variously distributed. For instance, private sale is getting 6%, while pre-sales got 32%, liquidity 21%, marketing 7%. Now, as for the annual burn, that'll be around 12%. Teams 7%, staking and rewards 10%, partnership and listing is 5%. So that's it for the tokenomics. It's actually a very simple and straightforward tokenomics, which is really good. It's what I like to see. But we do have some more information on their blogs, and we can go through some of that in a while. There is also the white paper that I'll advise you to check out for yourself. This can give you multiple information on the marketplace itself for Empire Token, roadmap, the Empire Tokenomics, a word from our founders, and why Empire Token. Why would anyone choose Empire Token? And once again, this video is not financial advice. It's not supposed to be taken as financial advice, but it does go through a lot of information. And to be honest, we don't really need to go through this in this video, to be honest. But the white paper is available for you to go through yourself if you do need additional information on the white paper. And as for the blog, there's been some temporary changes in the Empire Tokenomics back in the latter parts of October this year, around the 28th. And that was actually published on their blog. You can check that out for yourself, to be honest. There was additional information around the same time in regards to listing of the token on xt.com. So if you do need more information on this, you can obviously check this out on the Empire Token blog on Medium. But for now, we can get back to our token price and we can go for an analysis. So obviously this token hasn't been out for a very long time. But if you're looking at the trading period that we are currently in, it's roughly around on average around 3 million on a given 24 hours trading period. And that's not too bad if I'm being completely honest. Now obviously at some points it was over around 18 million in a given 24 hours period. And that was like at its all-time high for 24 hours trading period. But don't underestimate this crypto. It was also around 27 cents at its all-time high. That's not to be understated, because that's a quarter of a dollar. That's not to be understated. So that in itself is quite significant, but you can obviously plenty of patterns, meaning there was plenty of dips in the market around the 26 for this token in specific. I mean, it went from 27 cents around the 24th of October, and it plummeted to around 6 cents alone on the 26th of October. That's a huge difference. That's a huge drop off in the market. That's basically losing around 20 or 21 cents in total volume of this token. So you have to be well aware that obviously this token is not yet in a predictable, stable environment. This token is still trying to find its way through the waters, through the difficult stages of being a cryptocurrency. Is not easy. And to be more stable, to be more simple as a token, it's fair to say that it's a long way off from being a token that a lot of people can confidently see as a proper investment. Simply because there can be a lot of volatility that you simply won't have a full explanation for. Because there might have been a lot of people who actually bought when the price was extremely high, around 27 cents, and they might never see it get back to that stage for a very long time. So you have to be well aware of these things whenever you're doing any types of investment. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see more, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know, is there anything that I missed in this video? You can also subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video. We also have a second channel, Monument. Link is in the description. And don't forget to join our Discord server. There's a link in the description for that as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.